Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News. Unong yalam jangka NPP U Bah Prestone tensong obadai National Vice President jangka parti ula Pynthikna Bahusnem arhaja arfulai kata haka election bansawan unsaya khun beit naka pen usla constituency bat kumjuru naka parti NPP yakani U Bah Prestone ula kren haka jingya kendu bat kinong thok khobor ki balabu jingkali ya u khamtam hadin balami ki khobor hamsaya ba unom ya khun shu naka parti NPP hakani ke election ka bansawan Henry halor katay U Bah Prestone tensong ula Pynthikna ba unya khun beit naka parti NPP bat unne beit bat katay ka parti bat ula ongro bangas ngo comment sikat de ba udon hapo kaseng NPP halor ka jingkali la don ni naka jing angnut banyo long kum umentri rang ba ka jala U Bah Prestone ula ong kum katay ka jingkali kan ommi na marngi kwa banya khun bat job ya ka election hato ban syakri o pajba don kam ban syong syakishuki mentri rangba labu jengkali U Bah Prestone da ka ba ongro baha kanu ka benta shisin bangila syajit ngila no sen yang kat bala syaka jala bat kalong ka badon kam ban trai kam kum ka ken hun bat lada ka ken hun ka klan baro kin long ke bayaj be yaj renti ula ben rap shushuro ba hakini kisngi bala le kila don ki khubor hamsaya ke la pensa pryang bo Bah Prestone ula ban mino naka parti NPP ban lej ban penya so yala de bat ki seng riulum ban ya khun ya kanei ka election ka ban salong house name arhajar arfulai
and to fight and to win election. Are you trying to say that serving the people is only by the chair of chief ministership? It is not like that. In any capacity, the moment you are elected, you can contribute maximum to the state of Nigeria.
So it's more of a team game for you.
It is. It should be. That's what I'm saying. It should be. It's a teamwork. Once you have a teamwork, when your teamwork is strong, so everything is fine.
That means you are happy with the NPP.
Sorry?
You are happy with
More than happy. It's more than happy.
So it's a happy married life.
Sorry?
Happy married life.
Yes, why not?
But
Very much.
parties are approaching you also. But
Which
parties
party?
UDP.
See, I don't know much about that. Did they approach me? I don't know. Maybe through you, if they approach, maybe.